Hi everyone, I am Sudeep. In the last video, we learned about max operator. In this video, we will learn about min operator in MongoDB. $min operator in MongoDB updates a field only if its current value is greater than specified value. If the current value is less than or equal to the specified value, it remains unchanged. Suppose if you want to write a query updating the GPA for all the students to 3.8 if their current GPA is higher than 3.8. The query will be like this: db.students, that is a collection name, dot update many. The condition will be empty because it has to match all the documents and check the GPA value. The operator will be $min colon, it takes an object, the field name is GPA and the value is 3.8. So this will run a query and updates the GPA of the students. If the student's GPA is 4.0, it will be updated to 3.8. If the student's GPA is 3.5, it will remain unchanged. Now let's run a query to get the current GPA of all the students. In the result, we can see there are some student records whose GPA is greater than 3.8, that is 4.512. So there are two records. Now we will set that GPA to 3.8. db.students dot update many. The first condition will be empty, $min, that is GPA, that is a field name, and the value should be 3.8, and press enter. Here you can see in the result acknowledged is true. This means the query executed successfully. Matched count is 10 but modified count is 3. So here we have GPA 3.9, so the count is 3 records. So this min operator checks the GPA of each student. If the student's current GPA is greater than 3.8, it will be updated to 3.8. If the GPA is already 3.8 or lower, it remains unchanged. Here you can see the updated result. The GPA of this student 3.9 become 3.8, and 4.5 and 4, it has become 3.8. That's all for the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribing to my channel.